Using a stack of declined credit cards to swipe $1,000 in baby clothes, how did this retail theft scheme completely unravel? On March 23, 2024, a Carter's store in Sanford, Florida, reported roughly $1,000 in merchandise stolen by two women. The core issue isn't whether the initial stop was legal, but whether constitutional procedures held up after police made contact.
Hello.
How you doing?
How you doing?
I'm Officer Morales, okay? Basically, want to talk to you about something. You match the description of a female that we're looking for right now. Why you out of breath? What's going on?
Oh, no, I was on the phone. I just got wet.
Okay.
You saw match what?
You match the description of a female we're looking for. You mind if I get your ID?
Yeah. I matched the description.
Did you go on Carter's at all?
Did we do what?
Did you go to Carter's?
I had bought something from there.
So you brought something from there? What did you get?
I got my receipt and everything.
Okay. All right. We'll just get your ID and then we'll
The yellow one that's in the description.
confirm if it's you or not. All right. All right. So she do got a Carter's bag, so she's brought stuff out of
I got
there.
my receipts and everything.
So just ask them.
Copy, I'll be on that.
So what?
Oh, she got a Carter's bag?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to figure it out.
I called you guys as she was running the corner, and her breasts were suddenly huge because she stuffed all the product down her shirt and into her purse.
About how much did you think they took?
Probably like $1,000.
$1,000?
Wow.
They took.
You could provide an itemized receipt.
We're out with one of the females. She does have a Carter's bag. But we'll be at the Nike store.
Everything. What did she say about Carter? What was what you said about Carter's?
All right, they're at the Nike store, at least one of them. Are you able to walk over there and ID them?
Ma'am, can you just step out the car for me, please? Okay. Let me see your bag.
You're not under arrest. All right. You just detained right now. All right.
Well, I ain't doing nothing, so I know I ain't on the
Put
right.
your phone over there.
Okay.
Okay. So right now, you're just going to be detained, okay? So I have to place you in cuffs.
I'm being too clean, though.
You're not under arrest. Like we said, you match description of somebody that stole items from Carter's. Okay. You have a Carter's bag. And once they come over here, when they say it is or not you, then we'll talk to you further on that, all right?
Oh, that's still not all my stuff right
That's
there.
why I said, like, once they confirm it is or not you, if it's not you, then we'll let you go. But it is you, then we'll have a talk about that, all right?
We'll head back there and look at cameras. You guys got cameras, right?
Yes, we do.
I'm just going to read you something too, okay? Because you are entitled to your rights. You're not under arrest. You're just detained, but I have to read you your rights, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say may be used as evidence against you. You have the right to talk to an attorney. I have him here with you now anytime during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, won't be appointed to represent you. If at any time you wish to stop talking, I have an attorney present. All questions will be stopped for request. Do you understand your rights?
Yes.
With these rights in mind, you want to talk to me or any one of my partners that come on scene and ask you questions.
Okay.
Yes?
I want to talk to the lady in Carter's because I'm trying to figure out what I'm supposed to do too.
What we're trying to figure out too, apparently we just got a call about, two females matching the description you're wearing. My partner saw you go inside the vehicle, and that's pretty much it. Someone just stealing from Carter's. You have a
My
Carter's
stuff
bag.
right there.
Okay, but you have a Carter's bag, okay, and we have to make sure that everything's accounted for in that bag.
Okay.
Okay, but that's what we're here for, and it's just kind of a little suspicious that you're not even in the driver's seat. You're in the passenger seat. So where's your friend?
Where's who?
Where's the driver?
My sister? Yeah, I'm waiting on her. She in one of these calls. I don't know which one she.
She going to itch, you know?
I don't know. I have to call her.
Nope, it's on the east side. Wish we could grab two of them. One is better than none, right?
You want me to put your phone in your pocket so I don't get over there? Yeah.
Morning. There's no entry.
How long is it going to take her to get over here?
Who?
Who you waiting on?
The entertainer is Brathwaite.
I'm waiting on my partner to see.
Basically, go bring somebody over here, right? Say whether it is you or whether it's not you. Like I told you, if it's not you, then we let you go. If it is you, then we'll have a conversation, see what they want to do, right?
Okay.
Let's see what my partner's at. This radio is for right hands. Restrooms? Huh. I don't know if it's over there or over here somewhere. I have no
there's
idea.
one all the way down next to Auntie Anne's. That's the only one I know.
Yeah, flashlight. Flashlight.
They're both negative valid.
Okay, she was in there. I would like to know what she see me too.
Okay. We're gonna walk up behind the truck here real quick. Positive ID.
Okay.
Central copies 1932.
So, what's going to happen? I'll go over there and go. Police come over and see.
What'd you say?
I want to know
Her
what
sister's walking somewhere. She doesn't know where she's
she was out here with her baby daddy. That's what I'm saying. I don't know if she left with him. I'll have to call her.
Gotcha. Is this your car?
No,
Where's the car you came in?
this is the car I came in, but it's not my car.
She was sitting inside.
Okay. Where's your
All
sister
my
now?
stuff right there. That I got. All my stuff is right there with my receipt.
Gotcha.
So why is she saying?
Where's your sister at?
I don't know. She might have went with her baby daddy. She was out here with him.
You want to call her?
Y'all gonna take these out?
Yeah. You want to call her?
Yeah, I'll call her.
Okay. Let's call her.
I'm not taking off the cuffs.
You want me to call her with the cuffs on?
You just have your phone in your hand with the cuffs on.
I know, but it's uncomfortable.
You're just being detained for right now.
Probably take some trouble. Not
Okay.
Did you leave with Bertha or are you still here? She gone.
Okay. Perfect. We'll do a warrant for her, and then you're gonna be taking a ride too. You can hang up the phone now.
Taking her out for what? I didn't steal
For
anything.
shoplifting.
I have my stuff right here. I didn't steal anything.
Did we recover the items?
Those are the items that apparently she paid for.
Man, this is crazy.
They already
So
ran.
he trying to take me to jail and I didn't take anything?
Well, they have you on camera.
I didn't take anything.
But it says otherwise. That you did.
Where is it out on camera? Tell her to show me.
They looked at it already.
They already looked
That's
at
why they called us. They gave the description, they provided a description, your sister and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I mean, you taking a ride, she's not. She said she ain't here. She just have a warrant out for arrest.
You're saying you paid for these?
Yes.
Is there a receipt in here for these? Okay.
You guys ready yet or no?
Yeah.
She want to talk?
Yeah, she talked. She said basically, she went in there to buy some stuff. She didn't steal nothing. All that stuff that's on the receipt is stuff that's in the bag. And that's about it.
Okay.
I thought y'all said y'all was going to get her to identify me so I could show her that I didn't take anything.
Yeah, she identified you. We put the flashlight in your face. She identified you.
Under Terry v. Ohio, officers conducted a clean investigative detention based on a fresh dispatch call and matching physical descriptions. When officers placed the suspect in handcuffs during the stop, United States v. Sharpe established that restraint doesn't automatically equal arrest. Under Miranda v. Arizona standards, reading rights triggers at custodial interrogation, and voluntary statements made after reading rights are fully admissible. Officers conducted a single-person show-up identification, which under Manson v. Brathwaite is highly suggestive but legally tested on witness reliability.
Except this is a receipt from Sanford.
That's what I'm saying. All my stuff is paid for. When I went in there, I was exchanging. She held my stuff at the counter literally for me.
Yeah.
She held my stuff at the counter. So what
Okay.
are y'all thinking? You held my stuff at the counter. It's the same bag I had.
What car is y'all's?
That's the same. That's not my car.
Is this the car you guys came in?
No.
She's chilling in. She's just chilling in.
She got in when I got
It's
in.
her car.
So is there anything in the car?
No.
You got the keys for the car?
No.
Can we search the car?
No.
Well, it's not her car.
It's not mine, and I'm not giving no authority to search nobody's car.
Well, it's not your car, so you can't get that authority anyway.
This is the girl that. So the one lady came in, brought it to the counter. She went behind and already took some baby girl items, left the store, and came back again.
Okay. Perfect.
Should you got cut off? Disregard of 48. Copy.
If you're going to take me, go ahead and take me. I ain't got time for all this. Go ahead and do what y'all finna do. She saying this and that. I know I'm going to beat it because I didn't steal nothing out of there. So,
We'll have security come over and tow it, and we'll just have to do the inventory prior to towing.
oh, what you got to do?
Oh, you wanted to search
She
it?
saying she sold me. So she lying. She didn't see me steal nothing. Let me see my phone.
No, it's okay.
No, hang it up because it's calling somebody. I didn't try to call nobody. You can hang it up. It's calling somebody. Could you hang it up? I don't know who's on the phone. I don't know who's on my phone. Did you hang it up?
We'll do it in a second.
Let's go over here so
So
we can
you
get
got somebody sitting on my phone? I don't know who that is.
Okay.
Let's go over here. I got stuff in my back seat, so I'm gonna put it back there.
Go right here to this Tahoe.
I've been very nice and generous and all that, and I feel like y'all been like, let me at least let somebody know what's going on. Like,
We do.
no, say let me call somebody and let them know what's going
We
on.
have to search you, okay, before you go in.
Okay.
Okay. When we get to our police department, the officers over there, I'm pretty sure they'll let you call somebody or give you a number where you can call.
What can I call her?
She needs to do her job now. We have to do our job.
She claimed that she had to do an exchange because she had twin baby boys that were a year old.
Yeah, but look at this. Card declined, canceled. Card declined, canceled. So they're using stolen credit cards. Look at all these different cards that are declined.
Perfect.
Canceled, canceled, canceled.
I'll take them.
Declined. Declined.
We'll see if it's on her property now. And on video is going to show her stuff and all the stuff in her.
It's
This
just
is a no sale. Every single transaction on here is declined.
You want to go through the video?
Yeah.
Watch it on the
I'll go in there real quick. If he can just, does he have her in the car? Okay.
Quarter.
Yeah.
Get her out there.
All those transactions are declined transactions.
Where is that my phone ringing?
Huh?
Is that my phone ringing?
Okay. We'll close. Watch your feet.
There's another big bag up here.
Okay.
Cool. So we need itemized receipts for that. There. Is this all yours, Oshkosh?
I don't know.
Sure.
Yeah.
The other suspect driver license. You want me to run it?
Yes. This is all hard.
This is all Carter's.
Want to grab one in? Grab the other one.
This one's heavy as hell.
That's our stuff too?
Yeah. This is all Carter's.
Attention to 3 Charlie 630.
I dropped one.
Go ahead.
It's gonna have a felony hold on it.
Huh?
It's gonna have a felony hold on it
Why would it have a felony hold on it?
because I'm putting a felony hold on it.
Why are you putting a felony hold on it?
Because they're using this to commit a massive amount of retail theft and fraud.
But Bina just called me from the jail. They let her use her phone, so I can't get it.
Gotcha. Well, regardless, the other girl was nice enough to leave her wallet and ID and everything.
Store receipt logs revealed a string of failed transactions, triggering Florida Statute 817.61 for fraudulent use of canceled credit cards. With over $750 in merchandise recovered, Florida Statute 812.14 elevates the charge to third-degree felony grand theft. Furthermore, Florida Statute 812.0145 applies enhanced penalties when 2 or more individuals act in concert to commit retail theft. When the second suspect fled, she left her wallet and driver's license behind as evidence for officers to secure a warrant. Under Illinois versus Wardlow, unprovoked flight combined with left-behind identification gave investigators an immediate foundation for an arrest warrant. Regarding the car, South Dakota versus Opperman allows inventory searches of impounded vehicles, though impounding a third-party vehicle requires a clear legal hook. Lesson 1, the moment Miranda is read, stop talking. Lesson 2, you cannot consent to search property you do not own. Lesson 3, field show-up identifications are heavily challengeable. A skilled defense attorney can move to suppress suggestive field procedures. What are your thoughts on this credit card fraud intercept and the officer's field show-up? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.